Hey guys, so in today's hair tutorial video, I'm going to be doing a side swoop 90s inspired half up half down hairstyle, and I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be using the Seraphine Outre Melted Hairline Series wig. So definitely, if you have not seen the review on the Outre Melted Hairline Seraphine wig, definitely make sure you check that video out. I will link that video somewhere in the iCards or down below in the description box. But before I actually begin styling, I am going to prep the wig a little bit on my mannequin head, and then we're going to get into the full styling process. Alright you guys, so I decided to switch this hairstyle up a little bit and not do the side swoop just because we didn't have a lot of parting space and lace to work with in the front. It's just lace from ear to ear. So anyways, I decided to part two sections of hair in the front just to add a little bit of sauce and flavor to this hairstyle. Next, I'm going to be using my comb to smooth out the base of my ponytail, and the key to not having your tracks showing is to make sure that you don't pull the ponytail too tight, and also use whatever hair is left out of the ponytail to cover any tracks that might be showing. Alright you guys, so I did put the combs in on the sides and I crisscrossed my adjustable straps in the back so I have lots of security, so I don't even really need to spray down the lace just because I have all that tension pulling on my forehead. Now what I'm going to do is use the Got To Be Glue gel and a comb to do some baby hairs on the side, and then that's pretty much going to be it. I decided not to do the swoop just because there is only one part of lace right here in the middle, so it just would be a little bit uneven. But anyways, we still got our half up and half down, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the baby hairs real quick, and then we're going to come back with the final complete look. You guys, this hairstyle literally takes 10 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10. This hairstyle literally takes only about 5 to 10 minutes, so I hope that you guys really did enjoy watching this hair tutorial. I just wanted you guys to see the lace. Like, the lace is so bomb on this unit. Like, that's definitely one of my favorite things about this unit series from the Outre Melted line wig collection is the lace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop these baby hairs on up. Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this beginner friendly wig tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed this quick and easy hairstyle doing this half up and half down look. Please do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this, as well as check out the link so you can get your hands on this Outre Melted Hairline unit. As always, do not forget to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!